So I think this was your message. Yes. So this was the one, correct? The JD.
Yes.
Repetitor. Tell me, how did it happen? What did you do? What strategy you utilized? And how did this employer approach you? And what is the discussion so far? We are really eager to hear from you guys.
So I was not directly approached by the employer, but it was through some consultant.
Yes.
But they have gone through my LinkedIn profile, which I've been updating regularly, and I have been like fine tuning it as per what feedback I've received from you, and the kind of guidance I've received. So that is actually helpful in a way that specifically this role, I'm quite interested in this kind of role. It's a strategic assistant to the MD itself about the company. And my previous experience has actually helped me to I try and like put all the learnings from the sessions that whether it's about the resume statement or effectively putting the numbers out, and there has to be an order which you need to follow. Like otherwise, what happens is like in my I remember the initial resume which I had created, I had no clear I would say result which
Percent of the hirings happen through the third party. Direct hiring doesn't happen. Just like in Europe, other places, it happens direct employers and employee. There is no middleman. I mean, even if Manpower or Randstad, etc., they come into picture, they're just coming for the preliminary, way. But they will move away. Employer and employees are together. But unlike in Dubai, it goes till the end, to the extent that for 6 months or 1 year, you might be under the payroll of this agency. I'm not sure how it's gonna be with you. You will be in the payroll of the company or to the agency.
No, direct company.
Fantastic.
It is just the first connect they want to establish. That's it.
I'm so glad, man. Fantastic. So see, relocation benefits. Okay, so that means this company is providing relocating, and there you go. How this process is: CV screening, then phone screening. You know what is phone screening? CV screening is that ATS compliance, the first selection, correct? ATS rejection. So, and then phone screening is basically either a Zoom or telephonic, 7 seconds to evaluate. So you are at this stage right now. You have cleared this stage. Now they might give you a home assignment or some kind of a case study. Okay. If they don't give you, Jayesh, please prepare one case study yourself.
Right.
Just 4 to 5 sliders. Smita, please guide him on that. Sure. Don't worry. I can connect you to some Power BI presentation, person's expert who can help you gain that. Put your best foot forward. Home assignment, the interview segment that will move. Okay. So then you will move to the other interviews, assessment day, and then the offer. So you can see 7 damn rounds of interviews are gonna come your way. And each one is as critical. I'm telling you, this is not that you're back to square one. Back to square one means freeze for next 6 months. I'm not trying to scare you out, but I'm just giving you the reality. So let's put our best foot forward.